Welcome to the ultimate guide Dcoin, your go-to platform for secure and advanced cryptocurrency trading. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about using Coin, from setting up your account to taking advantage of its powerful trading features. Start by visiting the official Coin website, where you'll be greeted by a clean and user-friendly interface. Begin the registration process by clicking the Sign Up button, which is located prominently on the homepage. Fill in your details, including a valid email address, and create a strong password to secure your account. Once registered, you'll need to verify your email address. Check your inbox for the verification email and click the link provided to activate your account. For added security, enable two-factor authentication in your account settings. This extra layer of protection ensures your funds are safeguarded. Once your account is set up, you can deposit funds by navigating to the Wallet section. Here, you can deposit cryptocurrencies or fiat currencies depending on your preference. Coin supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, making it easy to start trading with your preferred assets. After funding your account, explore the Market section, where you'll find various trading pairs and real-time market data. The platform offers both basic and advanced trading options, catering to beginners and experienced traders alike. Now, let's look at the trading interface. You will see a detailed chart powered by TradingView, allowing you to analyze price movements, use indicators, and draw trends. Below the chart, the order book and trade history provide insights into the market's liquidity. On the right, the order panel lets you place market, limit, or stop limit orders. For experienced traders, the advanced trading tools, including margin trading and futures, offer opportunities to maximize gains. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Additionally, Coin prioritizes security. Funds are stored in cold wallets, and the platform uses multi-layered encryption to protect your data. Regular security audits ensure a robust defense against potential threats. For users interested in trading on the go, Coin offers a mobile app available for iOS and Android. It delivers the same robust features as the desktop platform, ensuring seamless trading anytime, anywhere. Finally, don't forget to explore the promotion section. Coin often runs events and bonuses for traders, including the sign-up bonus linked in this video's description. Start trading now and make the most of these benefits. Subscribe to our channel and give this video a like to stay updated with more crypto trading tutorials and insights.